Hi, today I'm reviewing Poco M5s and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the application and then drag this up to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you wanna just rename the folder, click once on the name and after that enter the new one. Just for example the apps, tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed it. If you wanna move the folder here on the screen or between the screens, just hold and drag it. Also, we can create the new screens with the folders, that's also another problem. Just to remove the application from the folder, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, just hold it and drag it to remove icon, or just click by this way, or just hold it and click here to remove icon. If you want to remove all of the applications in one click, just hold the folder and drag it to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.